Hey designers, ever wonder how professional Canva users keep their designs organized? Even with tons of elements? The secret is understanding layers. Today, I'll show you exactly how to view and manage layers in Canva so your designs look clean, professional, and perfectly structured. Let's dive in. Understanding layers. Layers are like transparent sheets stacked on top of each other. Each element in your design occupies its own layer. Mastering layers helps you organize your elements, control what appears in front or behind, and work faster, especially when your designs have multiple graphics, images, or text blocks. Accessing layer options. To start managing layers, right-click any element in your Canva design. Hover over the Layer option in the context menu, and you'll see all the controls you need. This is your gateway to organizing your design efficiently. Viewing all layers. For a complete overview, click Show Layers. This opens the Layers panel, letting you see how every element is stacked. It's like having a map of your design. You can now identify which elements are on top, which are hidden, and how everything interacts visually. Reordering layers. Want a text or graphic to pop? Simply drag and drop layers in the panel to change their order. Moving a layer to the top brings it forward, while sending it to the bottom pushes it behind other elements. This is perfect for making titles, icons, or images stand out exactly where you want them. Flexibility and reversibility. The best part? Every change is reversible. Not happy with your new arrangement? Just readjust the layers. Canva lets you experiment freely, so you can fine-tune your design until it's just right. And that's it. By mastering layers in Canva, you'll take your designs from messy to professional in no time. Try it out in your next project and see the difference. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more Canva tips, and keep creating designs that wow.